Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing back to school video again. And today, which one should I do? If you bring a slime ball to school. So I got this. It's a wobble bubble slime ball. So let's just get right into this video. Oh! Today we're going to be doing something on the computer. Oh yeah, drawing something. Whoa, it's so cool. Psst, 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 psst. What do you want? Can I play with that? Please, 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 please. No, because 2 times you already told on me, so I'm not going to give it to you. Okay, I pinky promise I will not tell the teacher. Okay, but if you break the promise, I'll cut your pinky off, like everyone says. And they actually do it, and I'm gonna do it. Thank you. Fine. Here. Oh my god. Thank you. This is why I never bring anything to school. I'm so bored now. Excuse me, was that your board? I'm so glad. I'm so happy. Fun. Oh, the teacher came and hide it. So, okay, class. Today we are going to be doing something. Yay! So, we are going to be doing, we're going to be having computers again today. And I hope you didn't bring any slime. No stress relievers in this class anymore. They've been banned from this classroom from now on. I made that up with the principal, so yes. Okay, and no blaming no one today, miss, especially you too, because I knew something was yours. Anyways, we're gonna be doing painting and just designing them more, okay? Let's have fun. The teacher's so weird, right? Yes, the teacher's so weird. Not weirder than you. Me? Don't tell me that ever again. Hey, no talking while we're doing something. And I will be passing out the computers, please. Sorry, miss. Sorry, miss. What was that green thing? I'm gonna be looking around both of your desks. No, here, put it somewhere. Me? Why me? Fine, put it behind that computer of the miss. Here! You're closer to it. Okay. Right here. Okay. Got it. Okay, good. Spots. Okay, let me check on your spots. Okay, nothing suspicious. Here's your backpack, or here's your lunch, and here's your backpack. Nothing suspicious. Now let me go get to your one. Okay, so this is yours. I'm sorry, but you put your glasses there, so I just had to slip them off. Okay, what is that green thing on my desk? I'll take it off. Hey, miss, I can't see without those glasses. Here they are. Oh, you're so rude, miss. Grab it. She said she was going to take it away. Oh, okay. Okay, got it. I'm just going to be squishing it. Okay, Kayla. Here is your laptop. Thank you, miss. Okay. Wait. Okay, now give it back this time. I'm not waiting for you after we're done with this. Now, and I'll give it to you at the end of the day. Give it back. I'm telling on you. Fine. No, or I'll pop it. Actually, the teacher's gonna see the security camera who did it, so fine. Here you go. Thank you. So fun. Oh, the teacher's coming to your side. I better hide it. Okay, Michaela, here is yours. Take it. Thank you, miss. I'm so excited. I need mine to squish. Can I squish it one more time? I promise. I guess. Oh, the teacher's coming. Squish it. Oh, squish, squish, squish. Okay, give it back. Hurry. Oh my god, she's so close. Give it. Squish, squish, squish. Oh. Here. Thank you. Oh no, I can't get it out. It's fine. Okay, kids, I'm going to be taking my computer, my little computer. Okay, so you guys are going to be going to this app. It's called Toy Characters. Go real life. So go .com www. Okay? And then you'll see picture create. Okay, so you're gonna press on picture create. Okay, you see this? See this? You see that? Okay. And you that's okay. Okay. So that's where you're gonna be going, and I will let you do your thing. Okay, class. Okay, we will be starting now. Miss. I dropped up my pencil. Can I get it? Oh no, I don't need my pencil. I'm sorry. Can I get something from my backpack, please? Okay, sure. Get it. Thank you, miss. I'm gonna get this squishy. Dang it, I'm gonna get this in the way. So type, squish, squish, type, squish, type, squish, type, squish, type, squish. Just have to design this. Oh, I have to look and get it. My squishy bag. It's not there anymore. Damn it. Who might have bought it? It might be the teacher. Oh, no. 40 seconds later. It's only been 40 seconds. And I'm not even finished. And the teacher said we have to do 3. It's going to take me forever. 40 minutes later. Okay, time to shut down. Okay, miss, I'm done. Okay. Okay, miss, I'm done. Can you please come and get my computer? You had the squishy all along. Oh my god. Goodness. Give it back, please. Okay, fine. Here you go. Oh my god, that was so easy. Thank you. Maybe next time when I bring something, I'll give it to you. Oh, I might bring two and give one to you. Okay? Thank you. Okay, Kayla, can you please give me your computer, please? Okay, thank you, Kayla. Okay, let me put this right here. Okay, Casey, can you give it to me? Okay, thank you, girls. Kayla, with the glasses, you did so good job, okay? Kayla, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, you're Kayla and you're Casey. I'm sorry, okay. Casey, you did such a good job, and you, Kayla, what's that green thing you have there? Oh, nothing, miss. No, Casey, give it to me now. Fine, teach. Fine, I'll call home and I'll go to the principal's office and yeah, I'll get it at the end of the day. But thank you, Casey, for so being honest. You will not have to call home. You'll just go to detention, no principal today, okay? Since you all were honest, I'll give you this in 5 hours, okay? Just put it back in your backpack, please. And school is over. Dismissed. The next day. Okay. Let me get my my slime ball. Oh. Psst. Psst. Can I have it? I knew you were going to ask that, so here. Oh no, the teacher's coming. Hurry. Okay, thank you. I just use it for 10 seconds. Oh no, she's coming close to me. What is that, Kayla? Is that yours, Kayla, or is that Casey's? Casey, did you bring it? Yes, miss, I brought it. Kaylee, can I get it back? I have to give it to the teacher. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Here you go, miss. Okay, thank you. And you will not get this until after tomorrow. Okay? Okay, yes. And you, Missy, you're getting principal detention, and you're getting 2 call homes. One for your dad and one for your mom. I'm so disappointed. Oh, and bring this to the principal's office. Teach, I don't have time. Actually, my mom's here, and I'm not taking this to the principal's office. Ugh. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below when you turn on the notifications, and maybe you'll get a shout out. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye, Mufflings.